Sorry about that, guys. It's just me, this guy, and that guy.
Eine guy.
She just breaks him.
Yeah, that's right.
Hello.
If you don't look on this farm, we'll find out where you are and we'll come cut your nuts off. You understand me?
Alright, you listen here, boy. You come and find me, I bet. Come and find me.
We're
Dude,
blocking the number.
Alright, this is where I live. Alright, I live in Tupelo, Mississippi. Alright, here, you want me to give you my address?
You sound like a bag.
You want me to give you my address,
How old
dude?
are you, man? Have your nuts dropped yet?
Have your nuts dropped yet? Oh, God, you're funny.